This is Hyundai Sonata 2018 model. I am going to make a spare key remote. I am going to program this remote. I still not fix the key. So I am going to program the remote by X300 DP plus. Let's see how it's working. Go to the Kia Hyundai Genesis. Enter. Because this remote I have is not working, is damaged. It's not working anymore. So go to the manual selected Hyundai. You can go to the Europe because this European car. We are going to Sonata 2015 2019 program remote, switch ignition on first. We are on the ignition. Now switch ignition off, remove key, press enter. Now just press the unlock button. That's it, it's program success. So if you have more key, you can put the enter. I don't have the more key because this is not working, so I put no. That's it, program completed. Just wait for exit. Yeah, now you can see it's working. This is Sonata 2018 model. Thank you guys.